Hello everybody, this is Kanisha and welcome to 3-Point Cooking and Reviews. I hope you like this video. I'm going to be making this today, Old Bay Crab Cake Classic Mix. I have never used this before, but I'm a seafood lover. I love Old Bay, I love crab cakes. So I'm going to give this a try today. Super simple, super easy. You can make this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So hey, you never know. So let's get the cooking, y'all. Alright everybody, so first things first, of course you take your mix. I'm gonna open this up. This is the only bowl that I had, so this is what I'm using. All right, that, and you're gonna get your half cup of mayonnaise. You can use any kind of mayonnaise you want, but this is my favorite. This is what we do up here in North Carolina. We use this Duke's mayonnaise. Really, really good. It's just something about it. The taste is just completely different. Okay, mayonnaise. Gonna add that in there. Make sure you get everything out. And of course, the crab meat. I already opened it up with my automatic can opener. Handy. Gonna take the lid out. And we're also gonna dump this in there. This is really good as well. I tried this before. Alright, and what you're gonna do next, of course, you're just gonna chop everything up, break them pieces. And you're gonna mix. All right, you can see how well it's coming together. Do a gentle toss. Don't break the crab meat up too much. I mean, me personally, I like to taste the crab. I like to see some of the lumps in there. Yeah, so it's nicely mixed, and then I'm gonna shape it into some patties, and we are going to fry about 5 minutes per side. Now let's get to the next step. Alright, next step is, of course, to get your frying pan and everything ready. I'm going to be using this oil, Prestige. I found this at Walmart. It is safflower and sesame oil. Just going to add a little bit. Let that warm up some, and then we're going to put our crab-shaped patties right into the pan for 5 minutes a piece per side. And then we're going to do the rest. The bun, the tomato, and the fun dressing. So let's get to that part too. Here are some of the patties. I'm still just remolding them. And also what I did too, you guys, I added some extra Old Bay seasoning into the mix. It already comes with it, of course, from the package, but I love Old Bay, so I decided to add a little bit more to it. Oh yes, there we go, there we go. Try not to overcrowd your pan so you can have some room for flipping. Alright. Just grabbing a couple more patties and then we're all set. Alright, I got all my patties in there. We're going to let this fry, like I said, for 5 minutes per side or until golden brown. We're going to flip, do the same thing, and I'll be back. Just doing a simple check. That's what I like to do when I'm cooking anything. Just look at it, look at the bottoms. I don't know if y'all can see it. You can see some of that golden brown in there. Oh yeah, it's starting to come together. Now seafood is very delicate, so really, really be careful and not overcook. It's been on for about a couple minutes. I'm gonna give it 2 more, and then we're gonna flip. All right, got them flipped. Be very careful not to break apart. Honestly, guys, I am not the best patty shaper, but it's okay. It is okay. Oh yes, I love seafood, I love crab. There we go. Nicely flipped. Oh yeah, y'all see that? Oh yes. Super, super good. I cannot wait to eat this. I might eat all 5, I might not. I don't know. I'm hungry, y'all. Matter of fact, I'm gonna eat some and I'm gonna share the rest with y'all. What y'all think? That's what we finna do. I can't wait to show y'all this finished product. Now it's going to be time to plate. I have my brioche bun here. Whoop, camera slip, sorry. Brioche bun, I actually toasted it because I was going to put it on the frying pan, put a little butter, toast it, same thing. And I have a couple tomatoes and I have spring mix. I couldn't find the certain type of lettuce that I was looking for that you would probably find in a restaurant. But this is just as good. This is actually my favorite lettuce, so that's going to work out well. If you don't like this, you can use romaine, iceberg, whatever you would like to use. That is a-okay. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the Hellmann's cilantro lime sauce. This is actually really good. I've had this before. They have a good line of sauces. You guys should go try them out. It's going to be at your local food line, Walmart, wherever you can find them. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to put it at the bottom of my bun. Add as much as you like. I like the flavor. It really complements seafood well. I'm going to take one of my crab cakes. Put it on the top. Tomato top. Now you can add your lettuce to the top or the bottom. That's honestly what I meant to do first, but it's okay. So just take your lettuce, make sure it's nicely rinsed. I'm gonna do it like that. Add some of the purple, some of the green. Put this on the top. There you go. Ooh, look at it. Look at the sauce, the lettuce, the everything. Oh, yes. Give that a twirl. Give that a twirl. Got a little lean on it. Little lean on it. Oh, yes. Look at that. The little sauce, the lettuce, the tomato. Look at that crab cake. Woo! Yes, now time for the taste test, everybody. It's really good. It's really good. Y'all have got to try that Old Bay mix. This sauce is really, really good with the seafood. Of course, the tomato, the lettuce. People probably wouldn't even think of using salad lettuce, spring mix for a burger or a crab cake. It is really, really good. But if y'all like this video, like, comment what you want to see next. Subscribe, tell your friends, tell your co-workers. I truly appreciate all the support. Everybody stay safe out there until the next video, because I got 2 more lined up, a dessert and a cast iron chicken pot pie with fresh dough. So stay tuned for those videos. Everybody stay safe out there. Once again, this is your girl Kanisha. Thank you for tuning in to 3 Point Cooking and Reviews. Until next time, bye-bye.